What?
Pardon?
No.
Hey? Do you love me?
What?
I said, do you love me?
What? Don't be a freak.
I am a freak. We have established that I'm a freak.
What? Don't be a fucker. Yeah, that's all.
No, darling.
Bye. Quick. Hang on around. Don't be afraid. Hey. Right, Paul. Good night. Take a break. What? No, take a break. Come on, Paul. Take a break. What?
Are you... Are you alright? I said.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Fucker. Right, you want cook.
Who's a fucker?
Bollocks. Bollocks. Bollocks.
Bollocks to you.
What? Fucker.
Oh, that's shocking.
Oh. Fucker. What?
Ooh, yum yum.
What?
Oh. You're being very rude to me today. I don't think you deserve a cuddle. Hey? We've all done quite enough poo-poos and wee-wee, thank you. Who's a freak? Hey? Look, speak properly. You're not speaking clearly at all. You're just rushing through your words. You're a fucker. What? No, darling. No. It's been out for an hour tomorrow.
Oh my God.
What, love?
What up?
Nothing. I was just chuckling at you. You can have an egg later. Of course I'm talking to you. Who else would I be talking to? Au revoir. I'm not trying to be funny, darling. I'm just giggling that you're laughing. So you're messing about with singing noises. Of course I'm talking to you. I just said I loved you. Bonjour. I am a fat bastard these days.
What?
I said I am a fat bastard these days.
Come on, Mike.
Of course I'm talking to you. Don't keep breaking wind either. Quit what? You're not going anywhere, darling. You can have a cuddle when you stop being like some mad, freaky, fluttery wing thing. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, you're so beautiful, beautiful baby. Do you love me? Eh? Do you love me? Do you love your papa? Do you love papa?
What's up, you all right?
Hey? Yeah, I'm talking to you. Do you love me?
Bye-bye.